I'm a great believer in people skills at the very heart of training, and I think a lot of training is about the skills of handling people. So by the end of the course, the objective is that you will come away from this course understanding how to work with people, how to design a course so that it covers all the right points, and how, in particular, to deliver the training material to suit all different kinds of learners. So there's a whole range of skills that you come away with by the end of the week. To do that, we get you working in small groups, we get you working together in groups.
Well, the application cause and effects, I have to agree there, number 3. Number 4, effects, positive and negative, yeah.
Broadcasting is constantly changing, and Circom realises that through training we address those changes whenever we can. By training the trainers, what we're trying to do is to bring good training techniques to the stations themselves.
Learn how to do less things in a more efficient way.
One of the big projects of the week is where you teach the whole of the group some subject for 25 minutes or half an hour, which is quite demanding, particularly for those who've never done it before. And then you get direct feedback on that, so it's quite a revealing experience.
When you're happy with the position,
Only presented with a student, you have to give them coaching, one-on-one coaching, so it's a very intimate, direct coaching experience on some broadcast-related subject, and that's quite a testing experience.
Through the trainers going back to their stations, they reach more people. They also pass on their skills to the younger generation, and this is really important for all our members right across Europe to gain knowledge and to gain skills that are necessary in this ever-changing world.
If you're designing a training course, you have to remember that there's going to be different people who have different types of learning in your group, and you need to cater for all of them. I think that's the thing that I would certainly have learned from it most.
The most important thing I learned is always to talk a lot with the delegates and to check up a lot of times how the learning is going on.
It put a parrot on my shoulder, and it will keep reminding me of not to lecture too much. Start to involve pupils in the action. Listen.
I think training of the trainers is a fantastic course because it teaches us what to do. I think that after I come back I will do more structure in my courses, and I also try to control my temperament.
Structuring my ideas, putting it into a training session, you know, it helped me a lot to figure it out. How can I build a training session?
It's simple rules, guidelines to make training more effective and to just get a better result, full stop.
This Circom Training of Trainers course has been invaluable to me. It is giving me new skills that I need to learn to become a better trainer. I have been a trainer, but without structure. Now I know that I can plan and organize longer form and to create bigger groups.
I trained a lot before, but I didn't have the right structure, and this have given me new thoughts and knowledge in structuring my trainer sessions.
It was a really great week, and I think I learned a lot. I faced with my problems and I can solve that.
We've seen a lot of problems at home in the way we have trained, and I think this week will allow us to put together a good structure for people when they train again in our systems.
So a lot of the delegates who come on this course tell me afterwards that's been a really good experience. I may have done a few things wrong, but at the end I've come away with an enormous amount of new knowledge, and that's the goal. You come away ready to be a really good, proficient trainer in your country.